next question, it is given that x plus y is equal to 45 degree. Given x plus y is equal to 45 degree. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that 1 plus tan x times 1 plus tan y is equal to 2. Okay. So, now what we are going to write now, just look here, tan x plus y is equal to tan 45 degree. Multiplying both sides by tan. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Okay. So, the question becomes now, and tan x plus y, what the formula was? Tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay. Now, we are going with these things. Now, this becomes tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y is equal to 1. Okay. Now, cross multiplying, tan x plus tan y is equal to 1 minus tan x tan y. Tan x plus tan y plus tan x tan y is equal to 1. Now, what extra we can do it? Okay, what we can write it now? Adding 1 to both sides. Adding 1 to both sides. Now, what this will give us? Number 1, on right hand side we will be getting 2. We have to prove this is side as 2. So, we are having now 1 plus tan x plus tan y plus tan x tan y is equal to 1 plus 1. Now, taking common, we are having 1 plus tan x plus tan y, 1 plus tan x is equal to 2. Okay. So, now tan x plus tan y, sorry, 1 plus, I am sorry, here I am wrong. One plus tan x one plus tan y is equal to 2. Okay. Hence proved.